Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial linked to external pages with anchor elements. So in this lesson, we're going to learn more about the anchor elements, which we use A for short. And an A element needs a destination, and we call it a href attribute. So for example, here's the tag A, and before it closes, we put the href and then the link to it inside quotations. And then between this, we can put in text, and that is pretty much like a hyperlink. And then we have a closing tag. And then when this is displayed in the browser, you can click on this text, and it'll go to this website. So for this exercise, you want to create an A element that links to freecatphotoapp.com and has the text cat photos. So it doesn't say where we do it, so we can just do it. We can just do it on the top here. So to make the anchor element, we do this, A, and then href equals, in quotations, let's copy and paste this. Now we do a closing tag, not a closing tag, we close this opening tag, and then we put the text cat photos, and now we do the closing tag, \A. And here we can see that this cat photos is displayed, and if you click on it, it goes to this new link. That's it. Thank you.